Alright everyone, today we are going to announce something is crazy and new. So I want to share with you about something is about hosting a competition in Kaggle. Here the competition I host in Kaggle. This competition is named Predict Movie Gender from Plot Summaries. Okay. This means you have to summarize about the movie or description kind of like that, and you should need to predict which gender of this movie, like a gender is like I want to show you about this data. This of kind of like that which category, and this is movie like this action, adventure, animation, comedy, crime, familiar, where it's kind of like that. And sure, first of all I want to go you overview what is the competition is the predict the gender is a movie is a multi-level text classification challenge. So what is the goal? Goal is a model that understands the story, movie, plot, and predict the genders, genders. Sorry for that. Genders with high accuracy submission for F1 score. So which equality consideration scores here. This competition is pretty easy. Okay, let's go in the description. Here the description that you can read everything about this competition. Domain and domain format. There is the training dataset is like 4 column: movie ID, title, overview, and genre IDs. And here the test dataset. Here the 3 column, and here the sample of the dataset that how can you can okay predict talks. This is the talks example, and here are the important thing that how can you start. So I share with you something training model and everything here, and here the overview complete. Then we are go to dataset, and dataset where is this I share with the 4 datasets: the train, twist, and sample, submission, and movie genders. It's kind of like that. Okay, so 0 main action, 1 main comedy like that, but it's not like that's actually that. Okay, so here if you mean is a tool, this is adventure, and adventure is like a movie genre, and we are go to training data site, and we have this like of this. It's kind of like this movies, this category, like this 3 or 4. Okay, this is a competition, and I know it's kind of hard and mix. So this is competition, and here's some this is our leaderboard. Or this man is now one. Okay, submission. Here is a team. You can create a team your own, and description. And here is the model. You can model, and here is your code. So I hope you like that. See you again.